friends, welcome to Code Generator. Myself Apurva. I hope you are all doing fine and well. In this video, I am going to teach you about top 8 C++ project for beginners. Before going on to the project, let me give the brief introduction about C++ and what is the software used to build these programs or projects. So, what is C++? C++ is a cross-platform language that can be used to create high-performance applications. C++ was developed by Brezhnev Stethoscope. It's an extension of C language, that's it. C++ gives programs a high level of control over the system resources and memory. Updated 3 major times, that was in 2011, 2014 and 2017, and the current version is C++ 2017 or C++ 17. So why you should use C++ language? The answer for this simple question is C++ is one of the world's most popular programming languages. C++ can be found in today's operating system, graphical user interfaces and embedded systems. C++ is an object-oriented programming language which gives a clear structure to programmers and allows the code to be used locally. Development and costs are less. So C++ is fun and easy to learn. So while building the C++ projects, we use Xampp, Visual Studio softwares and many more softwares. And now freely currently used softwares are Visual Studio and Xampp, which are usually downloaded. Now let's move on to the top 8 projects. Which are those top 8 projects for beginners? So top 8 project, that is billing system. So if we go anywhere and purchase any item, we require a proof, that is we call it as bill. So if you go to any shopping market, so in this project I am going to take your simple supermarket. So supermarket billing system is very simple mini project or C++ beginner project which is built as console application without using graphic features. This project is relatively simple to understand and it contains simple features like add item, remove item, edit item and search the data or information from or to the file. The key features of this project are build the report, add an item, remove an item and edit item, and also show the item details for the customers, which is easy to shop for them. So next project is about traffic management system. It is usually helpful for nowadays because the huge traffic are there. Traffic management system is a management application developed for the purpose of controlling traffic problems. The scope of this project is big as it is used in any urban cities and junctions for the appropriate management of traffic. This software analyzes the traffic for each line, that is there will be many lines in the road. It may be 8 line, 4 line. So it decides to divide the traffic based on the type of vehicle. In order to reduce the traffic congestion, the small vehicles are moved in one lane and the heavier vehicles are moved in the another line. So it will be helpful for the traffic man also, policeman. The use of this computer based system will control the traffic and which should be helpful for the RTO also. So top 5th or 6th project is security system. So word itself defines security. Now let's see. The most basic definition of the security system is found in its own name, that is security. It is literary means or method which something is secured through the system for interworking components and devices. So for security we require a password. When come to the computer, it requires for any application you use like FB, Instagram, it requires a password which should be strong and secure. So anybody cannot misuse it. So for example, we can take Instagram, home security systems, and any Instagram accounts. So now next come to the fifth project, that is color picker. So the whole world is full of colors and it's colorful world for us. So let's see what is color picker. We use online pictures, right? Use of online image color picker, right, to select the color and get the HTML color code of the pixels. So the images and the videos are full of pixels and images. We also get hexa color code, that is 4 zeros to 4 Fs. It's a binary code value. And we also use RGB value and HFC, that is hue saturation value. We make use of image or video for a picture URL in the text box in the operating system. The main use of color picker. The color picker gives a standard color palette row which you can select from the required color. So there are many color combinations in the system. So we may require the best color combination for building our project. So next comes the fourth project, that is tic-tac-toe. It's one of my favorite game and it's a gaming application. It's full of crosses and zeros. So it's a gaming project played between two people. So if we play externally, we will play by two members, two of our friends. If you are playing with the computer, it requires computer and a human interaction. One of the player chooses 0 and the other will choose cross mark to play the game. And we will fill it with the cells. So the game starts with one of the players and game ends when one of the players when whole row or a whole column or a diagonal is crossed. See, in this diagram a cross marks as filled diagonally. So if one of the winner is 1, the game is won. If the both players are not able to fill it column wise or row wise or diagonally, then it's a draw match, we can say. So next comes to the third application or third project, that is GPA calculator. So the full form of GPA is grade point average. So we'll count all the marks or all the grades and divided by the sum of that marks. So which is used to calculate adding the whole upon the accumulated final grades and dividing that figure by the number of grades awarded. So the C++ project uses or C++ program uses the structure and user defined function. It is used to develop and design an architecture, follows the calling functions line by line based on their responsibility. This makes it clear program and easy to understand. So you might have all used calculator. It's an online calculator, we can say. So next comes to the personal diary. I hope many of us don't have the habit of diary writing, but now also still some of them write the diaries. So it's an online diary, we can say. Personal diary management system is based on the concept of save and generate all the story of the user. First, user has to pass through the login system and then user can add, view or edit a story. So you can write his whole day updates. So what he all wants to do and like that. So personal diary is something a good application which requires a username and a password so that the personal information is also kept secure. Next and the last first project is alarm clock. So you all know and you all use clock all the days. So the motivation behind this online or digital clock, alarm clock, is to choose the alarm clock as a project. Its utilization of both. If FPGA and HC11 and LCD display. The full form of FPGA is Field Programmable Gate Arrays, that is a microcontroller. So all the important aspects of good alarm clock, its timing, accuracy, functionality and easy to use. Here we make use of hardware components also for this project, that is FPGA and HC11 microcontroller and LED display for displaying the time, and also we use of PC speakers for building this project with the C++ code. So all the projects require some code, so it may be hardware or software. These are the 8 projects we learned for beginners today. So I hope you all like this video and it was informative. If you have any questions or queries, you can contact us through Instagram, email, or also you can comment in the comment section. So I hope you all liked it. Thank you. Thank you so much, guys. Please do like, subscribe and comment on our channel. Thank you.